It's so good to see you. Welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, today I made a little special video for you. I went to HomeGoods the other day and I was blown away by all the Halloween and fall decorations. And I thought you might want to take a stroll with me through the store. I know it's a little early, but I went to Costco the other day and there was not one single Halloween or fall thing in the store. Everything was Christmas. So I figured I might as well film this now before they all disappear. So I tried to make it a fun video. I added a few little rhymes and some music. So I really hope you enjoy it. So without further ado, take a tour of the aisles of HomeGoods. Upon entering HomeGoods, you'll find this life-size skeleton in armor and another life-size one holding a gigantic bowl, all ready to be filled up with candy. Mickey and friends bring joy to your days at HomeGoods now in so many ways. At HomeGoods, oh what a sight! Pumpkins aplenty, day and night. Orange, white, and every hue. Awesome pumpkins, a festive view. And for all of you pink lovers out there, there were pumpkins here, there, and everywhere. Look at those pretty silver ones and the gold ones. They were just beautiful. And look at these fabric ones. Very pretty and very unusual. There were ceramic ones and glass ones. And you see these painted flowered pumpkins that'll be coming up in a minute? Well, apparently Martha Stewart has a line out, there you see that one there, has her line out of these ceramic painted pumpkins, and they had many different styles and colors. Look at all of them. There was pumpkins here and pumpkins there, and let me tell you, pumpkins everywhere. You see all the painted ones, a lot of those are from Martha Stewart's collection. And these were very pretty. They had the candles with the timer in them. And I almost bought this. I had it in my cart. It was all beaded. But then I put it back and I picked out something else instead. But if you can't find pumpkins to match your decor here, well then I don't know what to tell you. There were just so many everywhere, and blue was a big color too. All different shades of blue and white and pearl and oh my goodness. And then of course they had a little section with, I guess, kind of straw ones and ones made out of seeds. I guess they would be really nice if you had like, you know, that homestead or country look in your home. They were all just lovely. In HomeGoods, witches gather tight, cauldrons and brooms, a magical sight. They shop for charms and potion needs, creating enchantment with secretive deeds. Hats of all sizes, dark and bold, seeking trinkets with stories untold. In HomeGoods aisles, they weave their spell, a bewitching shopping where magic dwells. In HomeGoods dwell ghosts, cute and kind, friendly spirits in aisles entwine. They giggle softly and spread joy and glee, making shopping a spirited spree. At HomeGoods, skeletons dance with glee, creepy and eerie, a sight to see. Their bony frames tell stories untold, in whispers of darkness, mysteries unfold. Halloween and fall, transforming the space, decorations and treasures all over the place. In HomeGoods embrace, with a joyful cheer, the baking diva found her treasures near. From cupcake liners to decorations sheer, her Halloween creations would soon appear. At HomeGoods, Halloween's a howling affair. Even pets find spooky goodies to wear. From costumes to toys that squeak and squeal, furry friends join the festive Halloween zeal. At HomeGoods, in the fall's embrace, candles flicker with a golden grace. At HomeGoods, treasures for bath and home gleam, a realm of wonders that fulfill every dream. With awesome things, they weave a magic spell, where comfort and style in harmony dwell. In aisles of plates and cozy throws, Halloween candies delight surely shows. HomeGoods and sweets, hand in hand they stand, creating a festive haven, oh so grand. I hope you enjoyed that little tour of HomeGoods. They had so much stuff in there. I mean, I could only film a little bit of it. I mean, there were so many pumpkins, witches, ghosts, household items, dog supplies, I mean, everything. And it was fun walking around. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe and the little bell so you won't miss my next recipe or tour coming up. So love you all. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Boo! Toodles!